Alright guys, welcome back in. Today I'm going to break down exactly how I approach meme coins from the dev side, not the trading side. We are not trading or buying meme coins, we're actually launching and setting things up properly. Deving meme coins has made me a buttload of money, and I personally think launching meme coins is way more profitable than trading. That's exactly why I'm making this video. If you want to understand exactly how it really works from start to finish, well keep watching bro, I will be doing a full tutorial completely for free. Now look at my Phantom wallet. I made over $8.7 million all from deving meme coins purely on Pump.Fun bro. In today's video I will show you guys exactly how I made it happen, and I will be exposing the full method. And by the way bro, this entire video is for educational and entertainment purposes only bro. I am not a financial advisor, so please bro, do your own research and please don't copy me. Yeah. Now at the beginning of 2025 I did make a lot of money trading meme coins. Back then I was not a dev, but the ultimate reason to why I switched to deving is because of the brand new Pump.Fun creator revenue sharing update. Now this released like around a year ago, and this is the reason why deving is so popular now. Well, it's kinda untapped, but it's still popular, but it's all because of this update. Basically, when you launch a coin bro, every single transaction that comes inside your coin, whether it's a buy or a sell, well the dev takes a fee from that transaction and it goes straight into their pockets. Now bro, I've personally made a lot of fucking money from doing this, and a bunch of people in my Discord too. Now as you guys can see bro, one of my tweets 24 grand, here 13.7 thousand, and right here 68,000 in a month on one singular dev wallet. Now I had to launch around 1200 coins to make this, so I had to be really consistent to make this bro, but the more coins you launch, the more chance you have to fucking hit one runner. And no bro, obviously I am not special, okay? I am just like you. If we go on Pump.Fun, we will be able to find other devs. Now for example, this coin right here that ran to 350,000 market cap, right? If we go look on how much he made in total as a dev, he launched 132 coins, and let's see how much he made. Boom, he made $7,000 from 132 coins. Now you guys can see here that he launched a bunch of different coins. They all flopped, but here though, he launched one extremely viral coin, and that's all you need to clear a lot of money. Now obviously bro, this is not a get rich quick scheme bro. You have to be at the right time at the right place, just like trading meme coins, and you have to be using the right tools, and you have to know what you're doing. That's why I'm making this video. But before we get started bro, let's go look at one other person to see how much he made as a dev, okay? You guys can also go check yourselves. Okay, let's go see this guy. Coins. Okay, he made $2.5 thousand, and this is a fresh wallet. He has a default PFP and a default fucking name. So yeah, he launched 2 coins and he made $2.5 thousand. He got kinda lucky though. But anyways, how and where do you make your meme coin on Pump.Fun? Now you can make your coins on Pump.Fun directly just like this, okay? But you don't know which narrative to pick. And that's the hard part about launching meme coins, okay? You need a good narrative that's going to spark attention and get people to buy your coin. That's why you have to be using speedlaunch.io. It is truly the best deving site out there, bro, to make your meme coins. I use it all day, and a bunch of people in my community are also using it. Now let me just log out for you guys to have a clear example from start to finish. So when you go on speedlaunch.io, first of all you want to log in, right? You can log in with Discord or X. It's completely free, okay? Then you can just authorize in the app, and no bro, they won't have access to anything you can read here. They will only have access to seeing your posts. So authorize app, and then you are in bro. And right here, right off the bat, you will be overwhelmed, but this is just the X tracker, right? You will get the free X tracker, and this is where all the magic happens, okay? The trick here is to find a good narrative, okay, and then deploy it directly before anyone else. And that is why you have to be using speedlaunch.io, because it's all about speed. Now you guys can see here, okay, I launched a bunch of coins 38 minutes ago, 7 hours ago, 9 hours ago, okay? You can also vamp coins bro, which means if a coin goes extremely viral, well you could vamp that coin on speedlaunch.io and potentially bag buyers. Or if you want to make a viral coin better, well you can actually, you know, put it right here, and you can customize the name, symbol, and image or something, right, and then launch it back on chain to potentially pass that coin. Or if you want, bro, you can make a manual coin, okay? Name, symbol, image. You can bundle your coin right here, okay? You can create unlimited wallets and bundle it however you want. You can snipe your own coins. You can just do default if you want, bro. But I would highly recommend to bundle your coins. It's really important to create organic traffic and to get people to buy in your coin more easily. You can farm snipers, which means it will dump the coin on the snipers after a set period of time. You can multi-deploy, which means you can launch multiple coins of the same thing. That's why on Axum or in the feed you see sometimes a bunch of the same coin launching, because people are using the multi-deploy option on speedlaunch.io. Right here, someone launched the fine coin 2 times, okay? It's identical. He most likely used speedlaunch.io. That's kind of ironic, but yeah. Now first of all, after you sign up, you have to set up your wallet, okay? It's really easy, do not worry about it. Now first of all, just click on create, right? And it will create the first wallet, which will be the creator wallet. It's the most important. Always make sure it has funds inside of it. The other wallets will all be used for the bundles or for the snipe feature. You can create as much wallets as you want, and you can transfer the dev. So if you want to make this the creator wallet, you can just, you know, make dev. You can import your own wallets if you want to, or you can export the private key and import it in your Phantom. And also, bro, the most important thing, you can collect your Pump.Fun creator fees directly from here, which makes it fucking easy. Right here I'm up $14, okay? But anyways, I'm going to do a quick example, okay, of how to deploy a coin. It's really easy by now, but you know, why not do it and try to make some money? Let me see. Okay, right here I found something. OpenAI's ChatGPT health push raises, bro, raises questions about data security. Okay, I'm gonna deploy this one. Deploy chat G, no wait, OpenAI, right? I'm gonna put the symbol as sus, right? Because they're being suspected. By the way, bro, I'm doing a quick example. This narrative is not too good, right? I'm just showing you guys exactly how it works, so I'm not expecting anything, right? Now right here, do I bundle the coin? No, I don't have time for that. Now here's really important, bro. I would highly recommend to launch your coins with around 1 to 3 SOL, okay? I usually do around 2 SOL, that's the sweet spot, but anywhere from 1 to 3 SOL is perfect, because if you do too much SOL, if you launch with 5 SOL for example, well, you will own too much supply and people are going to be scared to buy in. But if you do anywhere under 1 SOL, well, you might not own enough supply, so you might not make as much money as you think, right? But if you are really fucking broke, well, you can do 0.2, 0.01. It won't really affect the coin, it will just affect your supply. So I'm going to go with 1 SOL for this video, then click on here, and then it should be launched. Whoops. Boom, it's launched. OpenAI. If we go on Axum, you guys can see the coin got immediately launched. Now if we go in the chart to see what's up, you guys can see that it's live, and now we just have to hope for buyers to buy in. Okay, now right here we got the quick 0.5 SOL buy. That's not bad. Okay, this coin is completely dead. 2 people are looking. Oh, now 1 person is looking. Yeah, nah, this narrative was really fucking ass. But yeah, bro, it takes consistency. You have to be launching a bunch of coins to actually see results. But yeah, come back to speed launch when you are ready. Dev panel, and here you can do anything, right? You can buy in your coin if you want to with your other wallets, or you can sell partially. You can buy more if you want, or you can sell all. But anyways, bro, to finish the entire launch, do 100% if you want to. Boom, 100%. Now it should be dumped. Oh, 100%. Now, okay, if we come back to the chart, it got completely dumped. Yeah, that's exactly how it works, okay? As you guys can see, if we refresh the site, we should have received our money back. Boom, 3.5 SOL. I think we made profits, right? How much I had at the beginning? Yeah, I didn't make much. I maybe made $20, $10. I don't know. You guys can go back at the start of the video to see how much I had, but yeah. Now obviously, bro, like I said, bro, this method takes consistency to build a lot of profits. If you want to build that portfolio up, you have to be launching a bunch of coins, bro. And you know, if one coin goes viral, bro, yo, please join my Discord and flex that shit in the win section, bro. Come and fucking network with us in the main chat, okay? You know, I have the biggest community for devs, and I truly think that this server is going to fucking explode. So join that shit, bro. Join my Telegram, like, subscribe, okay? Let me know what you think if you have any questions. And congrats to the 5 Solana winner right here from last video. If you want to participate for this video's giveaway, well, join my Telegram down below. Join my Discord for more information. Peace out.